Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to record your screen using PowerPoint presentation. Create your lesson and make a video sent to your students so that they can able to view whenever they want. Of course, you can upload the video into YouTube platform and share your link to the students so that they can able to view and concentrate on your lesson. Let's see how to do. Just go to start menu, type PowerPoint. You will have a PowerPoint application. Just open the PowerPoint application. Select blank presentation. Yes. So this is a PowerPoint presentation software. Now I would like to record my overall laptop screen. Just go to insert menu. You will find screen recording option in your right hand side corner. Just hit the button. This is the screen recorder option box. You will have a record, stop, select area, audio and record pointer will be available. So first you need to select the area, whether you would like to share this area in your students. Just select area and drag wherever you want. You can drag and keep it. Yes, so I have selected the area. Now my record option will be enabled. If you want audio, you can press audio, otherwise you can mute audio also. If you want a pointer, you can have a pointer also. Just click record. It will give you the time limit. Yes, now you can record. So this is a demo video. Just go to file. You can access a lot of application. If you want to go to Windows setting, just click setting and you will find out lot of option. Just click account and you will find the user account. Yes, I have recorded my screen. Now I would like to stop the video. I would like to stop my recording. Just scroll up. You will have the same option, pause, stop and pointer. Just hit the button, stop. Automatically it will direct into PowerPoint presentation. Now you can play and see the video whatever you recorded. Yes, now you can record. So this is a demo video. Just go to file. You can access a lot of application. If you want to go to Windows setting, just click setting. So this is the easiest way you can record different kind of application to show your students as well. Now I would like to add more effect on this video. First, I would like to add the color corrections. If you want to add the color correction on the video, you can click and add the color correction here. And if you have a colors option, you can choose the colors, whatever colors you want, you can choose for the video. Now I would like to add the poster frame on my video. Just hit the button poster frame. You will find insert image from the file. Just hit the button from file. You can choose whatever file you want. You can add some background and you can place it over here. Now you can crop the video as well. In your right hand side corner you will have a crop option. Just hit the button and you can crop according to your video needs. Yes, I have cropped. Click playback button. You will find different kind of video option will be available. If you want to trim your video, you can just click trim option. You can choose wherever you want, you can trim. So I have selected from beginning and ending. I can trim whatever video I want. I can trim and click OK. Your video will trim and give your access. Yes, you can able to trim your video and you can give your volumes, whether low volume, medium, high or mute as well. So that this is the easiest way you can create your screen recording option. Now I would like to take an output to share with my students. Go to file menu and go to export. So if you want to save the PowerPoint, you can go to save or save as. Now you want to take a MP4 format of your video recording file. Just click export and create a video file. Just select and presentation quality or internet quality, low quality, whatever quality you want you can choose. Whether if you choose low quality, you can share the video as a WhatsApp. If you want to internet quality, you can share with your video as a YouTube link. Just choose whatever file you want and click create video. Yes, it will ask you MP4 video. Just choose wherever you want the files to be stored and just select record. Click save. Automatically your video will convert into MP4 format. As you can see here, creating video record MP4, so that easy way you can record your video. Yes, my video is ready. Now I would like to see the output. Just to go to the file option, go to documents, you will find a record. So this is my final output. I can play and see my recording option. And you can access lot of application if you want. This is the easiest way to record your screen and you can share with your students your lessons. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.